Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today video title is guys home screen setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you on your race to wake and guys how can you use your race to wake mode in your Realme phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to on your race to wake and guys how can you use guys in this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys you can see guys your home screen and lock screen setting. So guys tap here and guys scroll it, then guys you can see your race to wake. So guys you can on from here and guys how can you use guys now let's see. So your phone screen is off and guys when you will take guys your phone on your face, so guys your phone screen will on automatic guys. Like that guys, phone screen will on automatic. So I hope friends you have understood how to on race to wake and guys how to use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.